Hi, this is my review for the Emerge gaming chair. I use this one myself. It's very comfortable. It's great. It has the Emerge logo here. It's very thick and soft, so when you sit on it, it's very comfortable. Has this little like fuzz here on the side, on the top. I really enjoy it. It has this here for your arms. You just put your arms here. You do have to put it together. Fortunately, I already put it together, so I won't be able to show you how to do it, but it's really not that difficult. It comes with all the parts and the screws and everything. Let me show you on the bottom. So there are some screws you have to put in here. So there's, like this one here, and this is like a top, so you would take this off and you would screw, so then this connects to this part. So it's not that difficult. I'm not very handy myself, but I was able to put it together. Worst case scenario, you can find a video that can show you how to do it, but these are the wheels. It does spin, it spins very well. So I really like this chair. Use it every day. You can see here, it's just to make it go up and down. So with this handle, I'd have to be sitting on it to go up and down, but yeah, you use this to make it go up and down. And I like it too because some chairs you sit on them and then they kind of go down by themselves, and then you have to, pull the lever and make it go back up. This one doesn't. It stays put. So it's great. I mean, it is what it is. When I mean it is what it is, like it's a gaming chair. So if you need one, this is a great choice. Highly recommended.